Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming in Java for beginners. First, you'll need to install the Java Development Kit, or JDK, on your computer. Then, select an integrated development environment, such as IntelliJ IDEA, to write your code. Your initial step should be to create a simple hello world program to ensure everything is set up correctly. This also helps you grasp fundamental Java syntax and the basic structure of a Java program. Once your environment is ready, dive into the core concepts of Java programming. Begin by learning about variables, different data types, and how to use operators. Next, understand control flow statements, including if-else conditions and various types of loops, which dictate program execution. Explore how to define and call methods to organize your code. Finally, practice working with arrays and other fundamental data structures. Java is an object-oriented language, so understanding its principles is crucial. Start by grasping the core concepts of classes and objects, which are the building blocks of Java programs. Then, delve into the three main pillars of OOP: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Learn about interfaces and abstract classes, which provide powerful ways to design flexible systems. Practice by creating your own custom classes and objects to solidify your understanding. Consistent practice is the most effective way to master Java. Begin by working on small, personal projects to apply the concepts you've learned. Challenge yourself by solving coding problems on platforms such as LeetCode to sharpen your problem-solving skills. As you progress, explore various Java libraries and frameworks to expand your capabilities. Finally, consider joining a coding community. It offers invaluable support and opportunities for collaborative learning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.